Well, today we are going to discuss about Oracle Data Guard startup and shutdown steps. This is very important. Follow the correct steps to start up and shut down Oracle Data Guard environment. So this is all about how to start and shut down a Data Guard environment. In this article, we will look at Oracle Data Guard startup and shutdown sequences. You must follow proper shutdown order to perform a graceful shutdown. Data Guard shutdown sequence. First, we're going to talk about shutdown sequence on standby. Stop log apply service or MRP and shut down the standby. The first thing that you have to do on standby, alter database recover, manage standby database cancel. So we have to stop the MRP service. Okay, so I have two windows here. Uh, the black and white is primary and black and green is standby. So if you want to learn Oracle Data Guard administration from beginning and build a complete hands-on environment, I have created a comprehensive course on Udemy, Oracle 12c Data Guard Administration 2026. This is a hands-on course with approximately 9 hours, as you can see, approximately 9 hours of training and 38 lectures. You will learn how to create physical standby database, configure redo transport, perform manual switchover and failover, configure snapshot standby and active data guard, set up Oracle Data Guard Broker, and configure a logical standby database. So this course also includes a complete practice lab. So this is a practice lab here, okay, where you can create your own virtual machines. As you can see, create practice VM and practice Oracle Data Guard administration step by step. So these are all practice. So you can create your VM, and then once your VM is ready, then you can install Oracle software and create the first physical standby. Okay. If you want to take your Oracle Data Guard skills to the next level, check out full course on Udemy. The link is in the description below. Okay, and also make sure that so it is created by Intop DBA Academy. So make sure to check this one, which is created by Intop DBA Academy. Thank you. We have to do on standby. Let's connect to our database. Okay, let me clear the screen so you guys can see. Okay, now the first thing that we have to do is stop the MRP on the standby server. Okay, that is done. And then shut down the standby. So you see the sequence of shutdown. You don't have to shut down the primary first. You have to shut down the standby server first. So let me shut down, shut immediate. Okay. So meanwhile, on primary, so all my topic and practical is published on my website. So you just go and search for all the topics. Okay. On primary, stop log shipping from primary and shut down primary database. Do you remember we spoke about log archive disk state 2, which was sending the log from primary to standby? So we have to stop that one, okay? On primary server, you have to stop. Altered system set log archive disk to state 2 defer. Okay, defer means like stop. So we are going on the primary side. Let me connect to my database clear screen. Okay, SQL plus as DBA. So the first thing that you need to do on primary is stop the log shipping, we did, and then shut down the database, okay? So it's on primary, shut immediate. So now we are done with shutdown sequence, okay? Shutdown sequence is down, is done. Now, how to start up? So the next step is the startup sequence, very important. In startup sequence, first you need to start up on primary, enable lock shipping. The first thing is start up the primary database and enable the lock shipping that we previously disabled here. Okay. So on primary startup, this is on primary. So the sequence got changed. Okay, now we shut down and now we're gonna start it up back. And then enable the lock shipping, which previously on shutdown we disabled it. So now we have to enable it back. So it's still okay. Startup is done. Now we have to enable the lock shipping process on primary side. Okay, that is done. And now on standby, startup standby and enable log apply service first. Start in no mount. As you know, physical standby always start up in no mount stage. Let's do uh, startup in no mount, the physical standby. And then we have to enable the MRP process. Okay. Uh, right. We have to take it in mount state, not in no mount. The second thing is alter database, mount, standby database. We have to take it in mount stage. Okay. And then the last one is start the MRP process. Okay. So alter database, recover, manage, standby database, disconnect from session. Okay. This is going to start up the MRP process. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is all about data guard environment startup and shutdown steps. So it's all my topic is published on my website in top dbablogspot.com. So you can go and search here every topic that you need. Okay. Thank you. Okay.